Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. If you guys are new, hello, welcome. I hope you guys subscribe and join my family. If you guys again are new and you're like, what is Makeup Monday? We just sit down, have fun, talk, possibly chat, cheese me up, and do makeup, which is, it's a Monday. We have to make it. We have to make it the best, you know? So today I decided to recreate a look that I posted on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, you definitely should. I posted this look and you guys went crazy over it. And I was like overwhelmed with the amount of love that you guys showed in this picture because, I don't know, it was just so like basic and random. I don't know, but you guys seem to really like the makeup tutorial as well as the hair. So I did do my full face on camera so you can see how to achieve this look. And I showed you what wand I used for my hair, and I showed you like a few clips of me curling my hair. So if you guys want to see a hair tutorial slash makeup tutorial for the fall, then just keep on watching. Okay, let's get started with this look. Oh, I am winded. I had to run upstairs and then run back downstairs. So we're gonna prime the lids. I already carved my brows, did my brows, but I wanted to try this new concealer from LA Girl. It's a white concealer, and I was like, you know what? That would look really pretty to make all the colors pop. I got a huge PR package from them. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at this thing. It's massive, right? And then inside it comes with a sponge and a whole bunch of correctors and concealers. So this one is new, and again, this one is just a flat white corrector. I do use a concealer as an eye primer, but I've never used this shade, so we'll see how it goes. We're gonna move on to the eyes. For today's palette, it is the Morphe 39A. It is such a beautiful, huge palette. Like, these pan sizes are humongous. I'm taking a bit of this shade and this shade. So this lighter one with the orangey one. And we're going to apply that to the highest point of our crease. So right here. So yesterday, me and my sisters went to a place here called Scooters to go get some pumpkin spice coffees. And I had ordered a pumpkin spice latte, and I asked for it blended. Actually, yeah, blended. Once we got up to the window, the girl was there, you know, we paid, yada, yada, yada. And then she handed me a hot coffee. I was like, I ordered it blended. And the look on her face, like, you can tell she was hella stressed out, which, first of all, that's not my problem if you're having a bad day. And she was like, you said latte, you didn't say blended. And I was like, yeah, I think I did. I'm like, but it's okay, I'll just take it. And she just gave it to me. She didn't even try to fix it. I was so freaking annoyed. Anyway, we're gonna move on to the second color, which is going to be this deep magenta, and I'm applying that into the crease. And then we're gonna go into this one and finally that one. What is the worst customer service experience you guys have ever had? I don't think I've ever had anything like crazy bad. It did happen to me once where I bought something for Black Friday from Joann's, and my dumbass lost the receipt. It was a pricey product. I think it was at least $200 or maybe $100 and something. But I lost the receipt. I ended up not liking the machine that I got, so I was going to return it. And the lady was just being so difficult, which, I mean, I get it in a way because I didn't have a receipt. I think I returned it the next day or something like that, or maybe 2 days after, but it wasn't too long. So I get where she was coming from, but she was just so rude, and she didn't really want to help me, and I had to be like, can I talk to your manager? Like, I know you've done all you can, but it seems like we're not getting anywhere. And thank God they were able to help me. The manager was really, really nice, and she was like, you know what? We should be able to look up your information if you just bought it with your credit card. And they were able to return me the money, and I guess that's been like the worst customer experience I've ever had, and it turned out to be fine. So, woohoo, we're looking good. And now we're gonna move on to our third color. I don't know why I add so many colors, like nada más por payasa, I feel like sometimes, because like, is it really necessary? pick up this like deep berry. It's more of a red undertone than the magenta. Did I just slap myself? I did. Well, that was embarrassing. We're going to take that shade and we are going to apply it as well right here, just to create a little bit more dimension onto the eyes. Now for the last color, we're taking this plum shade, which is this really gorgeous deep berry. And this will just go on the outer corner, like the outer V. Now what I'm going to do is take the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Cool Nude. And this is actually a new shade. So for all my very fair skinned people out there, this one is for you. The glitter that I'm going to use today is this one by Makeup Geek in the shade Utopia. It is so beautiful. If you don't have this shade, you can just use either this one, which is the one that I used underneath the Utopia, or you can use this one. I'm going to grab my NYX eyeliner. This is the matte liquid liner. And I'm not going to draw a wing. I'm just going to draw a line and then just stop right here. The only reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want the lash band to show or anything like that. And so with an eyeliner, it'll cover it up. Now we're going to pop on some lashes. These are Glam On. This is my collab with Lash Kitty. They are back in stock, and I just wanted to quickly say thank you guys so much for making these the best sellers. I knew since the moment that I saw them that these were going to be like the best, and they are. You guys have made them such a huge success, so thank you so much. If you guys want to order yours, there is a link down below where you can get yourself a pair of lashes. Now let's move on to the face. For foundation, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Full Filter. You guys have been asking me if I like this foundation. What do I think about it? Do I recommend it? And I've been using it for about, I want to say maybe a month and a half now or something like that. And I really, really, really do like it. I've been using it so much lately. I only take one pump, and that is all I need for my entire face because it is so full coverage. This will cover up every single little thing on your skin. So if you have a lot of acne, or if you just want to cover up a lot of redness or whatever it may be, this foundation will be the one for you. I just love this foundation. My skin just feels and looks so flawless. I seriously recommend this foundation. Now for my concealer, I'm going to just take one from the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the ones that they sent me. We'll see which one. Oh, this one's way too close to my skin tone. Whoops. The shade that I picked up was light tan, and it is just a little too similar to my skin tone. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking that other shade that I had, which is Cool Nude. Oh my god, this concealer is amazing. For my contour, you guys already know what I'm going to use. The Koki palette. This is just, it's too good. It's way too good for me to put it down. I'm using a little bit of my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I really like this one because it has a little bit of that orange undertone, which I like because it just gives you this gorgeous warmth to your skin. For my blush, I'm taking this one by Karity Cosmetics. Oh, the packaging is so cute. And this one is Coral Bloom. It has one highlighter, which is this one, and it has two beautiful orange shades. I'm going to mix them both. I'm going to apply them to my cheeks. Don't mind my nose baking. I'm taking my highlight. This is, I don't know, this is O2 by Makeup Forever, and I'm going to take it on a little fan brush. I'm adding this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Whatever Black, and I'm applying that to the waterline. I'm also going to run it through the lash line so I can smoke it out. Okay guys, so the makeup is done. Now we have to do the hair because we're looking a little bit crazy. I'm just going to part it down the middle. That's usually where I like my partidos to be, in the middle. And I'm just going to curl my hair exactly how I had it in the picture. This is, oh my god, I look so funny. This is my natural hair. Like, look at this craziness. And this is the curling wand that I use. It is by Numi, 3-in-1. I don't know. I've had this for so long, you guys, and I really, really like it. I use the biggest barrel, and I will just wrap my hair. I'm going to show you guys a few clips, not too many because it's boring. I'm sure you guys know how to do beachy waves. So the ones from my face, I always put them backwards like this, so away from the face. And then I always like to leave a little piece of hair out. That way it's not curly all the way and it's kind of like messy, you know what I mean? And there you have it. That is what the entire head of hair will look like. I have so much hair, so I take a long time. This one, because it's not so close to my face, I'm going to put it in. I'm going to twist it in. And I just alternate my hair. So forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. There it is. It's hard to tell because I have black hair. But now I'm just going to do the rest of my hair again. So you want to do it like this and then like this around the barrel. And I will come back. We can put on our lipstick and call it a day. Of course, we have to finish off the look. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take a lip liner. This is by Covergirl in the shade Plum Partner. This has been like my go-to when I use like dark lips. Really, really creamy and very pigmented. And for my lipstick, I'm going to try this one. It is by Covergirl. It's the Queen Collection Major Shade Liquid Lipstick in this shade Sweetest Taboo. Now, on my Instagram picture, I actually had Karity Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick, which is really good. The formula is really comfortable on the lips. But I wanted to try this one, so I'm going to see if I like it or not. Okay, lipstick is on and I'm feeling rather witchy. I don't even know if witches laugh like that. But this lipstick, girl, it's cute. Go get yourself the lip liner from Covergirl. And I actually ended up pretend like my nail didn't fall off, okay? I ended up picking up, or I ended up mixing two liquid lipstick shades. This one is called Sweet Taboo and Slow Jam. Slow Jam is just a little bit deeper and almost black, so I just added it a little bit so it can make my lips look darker. And that is the end of this super vampy, super, I feel like a 2018 version of a vampire. You know what I mean? Like super, super chic, dark lips, dark eyes, dark hair. It's a vibe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, please don't, because I don't know how to do hair. This is as much as I know how to do my hair. I love you, chicas, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!